Hello guys and welcome to this tutorial where we'll be guiding you on how to get a US phone number without a SIM card. We have one option and this is Dingtone. Of course there are other options, but in this tutorial we'll be using Dingtone. And once you select Dingtone by installing it from your Play Store, you can have it right here. And then at the bottom you want to tap a number, and then you could see here my phone numbers, and you could also see that it's expired. And then you have add a new phone number. So you can go ahead and select international phone number, tap on it. Then you have United States among other options. Our focus is on the US, so we're going to choose US. And then you have three options: a nearby area code, a random phone number, or get a custom phone number. So you could choose any of these options, and then once you choose, say, a random number, you need to choose the payment plan. You have the yearly or the monthly option, and once you choose it, you can tap on get access to this number, and you'll be able to get a working US phone number without a SIM card.